Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study law on your own. First, establish a clear study schedule and define your learning objectives. Dedicate a consistent amount of time each week, perhaps 10 to 15 hours, to build a strong foundation. Next, identify the core legal subjects you wish to master, such as contracts, torts, or constitutional law. Finally, gather your essential study materials, including reputable textbooks, case brief examples, and a comprehensive legal dictionary to understand key terms. Once you have your foundation, focus on effective study techniques. Actively read legal cases, breaking them down into their essential components: the facts, the legal issues, the applicable rules, and the court's holding. Develop detailed outlines for each subject to organize complex information logically, which significantly aids retention. Practice the IRAC method, issue, rule, application, conclusion, to structure your legal analysis, a critical skill for understanding and applying the law. Applying what you learn is crucial for true understanding. Regularly solve practice problems and work through hypothetical scenarios to test your grasp of legal principles. Consider joining online forums or virtual study groups to discuss challenging concepts and cases with peers, gaining diverse perspectives. A powerful way to solidify your knowledge is to review your understanding by attempting to teach the concepts to someone else, or even just explaining them aloud to yourself. To further your self-study, explore the wealth of free online resources available, such as open-access law school lectures and legal blogs. Maintaining a disciplined and positive mindset is paramount. Celebrate your progress and stay persistent through challenging topics. Remember, self-study is a marathon, not a sprint. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals to help you stay organized and focused on your studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.